Let's solve this quickly. 5 to the power k plus 5 to the power k is equal to 100. How do you solve this first? When you have this, you simply multiply 2 times 5 to the power k to be equal to 100. Okay. Now, from here we have 5 to the power k to be equal to 100 over 2, which is 50. Okay. Now, moving on, we now have that 50 is equal to 2 times 5 squared. Okay. And this is 5 to the power k. Now, let's take logarithm in base 5 of 5 to the power k to be equal to logarithm in base 5 of 2 times 5 squared. Recall that logarithm of a of b in base a times c will be equal to logarithm in base a of b plus logarithm in base a of c. Okay, so moving on from here, we now have logarithm in base 5 of 5 to the power k can be written as k times logarithm base 5 of 5 to be equal to logarithm in base 5 of 2 plus logarithm in base 5 of 5 squared as well. Now, k now will be equal to, so this 5 log in base 5 of 5 strikes out, so this becomes equal to logarithm in base 5 of 2 plus this will be equal to 2 times logarithm in base 5 of 5, hence k will be equal to logarithm in base 5 of 2 plus 2. Okay, so this becomes the answer to this question. Thanks for watching.